Cyber threats evolve daily. Are your systems ready?
Welcome to our deep dive into proactive defense in cybersecurity. In today's digital landscape, staying ahead of attackers is non-negotiable. This video will explore why a proactive stance is essential and introduce you to the key components of a truly resilient cybersecurity strategy. Cybercrime is a multi-billion-dollar industry. Today's hackers leverage AI, automation, and advanced tools. A proactive defense strategy is the only way to keep us one step ahead of these sophisticated threats. It's time to look beyond the security tools of yesterday. We need to integrate predictive and preventative measures into our defense architecture. While firewalls and antivirus software are necessary foundational components, they are no longer sufficient to combat modern, adaptive threats. Proactive defense means integrating predictive threat intelligence, actively managing your attack surface, and continuously scanning for vulnerabilities before they are exploited. One of the most significant benefits of a proactive approach is dramatically reducing the impact of any security incident. By detecting anomalies and potential intrusions early, organizations can minimize the blast radius, thus preventing major financial losses, protecting their brand reputation, and avoiding steep regulatory penalties. Proactive defense is a multi-layered strategy that requires the implementation of several key elements working in harmony. This includes risk-based vulnerability management, which prioritizes fixes, and consuming real-time threat intelligence feeds to anticipate attacker methods. It also relies on continuous monitoring using CAE systems and regularly training employees through security awareness programs, recognizing that humans are often the weakest link. Adopting a proactive approach delivers substantial strategic and financial benefits for any modern organization. Proactive defense ensures compliance with complex regulatory frameworks like GDPR and ISO. Furthermore, preventing breaches results in significant cost savings compared to costly incident response. It maintains business continuity by preventing disruptions and protects your organization's hard-earned reputation by assuring stakeholders that their data is safe. Ultimately, proactive defense is more than just a set of tools. It's a fundamental mindset shift in how we approach security. Organizations must transition from waiting to be attacked and reacting to actively anticipating and neutralizing threats before they can cause damage. Strengthen your organization's resilience, reduce risk, and ensure sustainability in today's hostile digital landscape. Subscribe for more cybersecurity insights. In terms of regulations and standards, our focus is several key frameworks, including ISO 27001, NIST, GDPR, PCI DSS. At the end, you can identify and explain the regulations governing vulnerability management. Welcome to our deep dive into the foundational elements of digital protection, cybersecurity regulations, and standards. In the complex world of digital threats, structure is everything. We're exploring how compliance and standards build a robust defense. Regulations and standards are the crucial frameworks that keep organizations secure and compliant in a constantly evolving threat landscape. Consistency is paramount in cybersecurity. Every organization needs a predictable, measurable defense. Following recognized standards isn't optional. It's essential for mitigating risk and establishing trust. Without regulations, defenses are inconsistent, leaving critical gaps that attackers are ready to exploit for sensitive data. Frameworks like GDPR for personal data and HIPAA for medical records safeguard sensitive information and ensure responsible data handling worldwide. Standards also drive the adoption of industry best practices, elevating the overall security posture across sectors. Standards like ISO 27001 and CIS benchmarks provide universal guidelines for designing and implementing strong, recognized security programs. Cybersecurity laws exist because data breaches are costly and damaging. Compliance is a proactive strategy to reduce risk and recurrence. Beyond just defense, regulations enforce internal governance and build external trust. Regulations require documented policies and controls, effectively ensuring that leadership and governance teams prioritize cybersecurity as a core business function. Non-compliance can lead to heavy financial penalties, reputational damage, and legal action. Standards and compliance frameworks help organizations avoid these serious consequences. Customers and partners feel confident working with organizations that demonstrate compliance with recognized frameworks, establishing trust and market advantage. Let's quickly review some of the most influential frameworks shaping today's cybersecurity landscape. From PCI DSS for payment security to NIST guidelines and GDPR, these frameworks guide organizations in protecting data and systems effectively. Regulations and standards are not merely bureaucratic requirements. They are the foundational pillars of a proactive and resilient cyber defense strategy. Embracing these frameworks allows organizations to move beyond mere reaction and build true digital resilience. By aligning with these recognized regulations and standards, organizations strengthen resilience, reduce risk, and secure a trusted future in the digital world. Subscribe for more cybersecurity insights.
First, our core strategy involves utilizing this matrix to evaluate vulnerability risks.
In terms of prioritizing vulnerabilities by risk, in the world of cybersecurity, not all vulnerabilities are created equal. Prioritization is the key to effective defense. Organizations face thousands of potential vulnerabilities daily. The sheer volume can be overwhelming for any security operations center. Without a solid prioritization strategy, security teams risk wasting valuable time and limited resources on low-risk issues, leaving critical threats exposed. The best approach is to prioritize vulnerabilities by assessing their risk. This is calculated as the likelihood of exploitation multiplied by the potential business impact. This method allows us to focus our efforts on the vulnerabilities that pose the most significant threat to the organization. So what are the key factors we consider when ranking these vulnerabilities? Let's break them down. First, we look at exploitability. How easily can an attacker leverage this vulnerability? And second, the asset value. How critical is the system being protected? Next is exposure. What is the attack surface? And compliance. Does this vulnerability violate any regulatory requirements like GDPR or PCI DSS? To quantify this risk, we use industry frameworks like CVSS, the Common Vulnerability Scoring System, along with dedicated vulnerability scanners such as Nessus or Qualys. Consider this example. Two vulnerabilities are detected. One is a low-risk, outdated printer driver. The other is a critical web server flaw with a known exploit. The low-risk printer driver can wait for scheduled maintenance. However, the critical web server flaw demands immediate, urgent action because of its high exploitability and impact. Implementing a risk-based prioritization model offers substantial benefits for any organization. Prioritization ensures your security team's resources are used most efficiently, leading to faster vulnerability remediation and a quicker path to a secure system. By focusing on the most severe threats, you achieve significant risk reduction and ensure continuous compliance with industry regulations. Proactive defense starts with smart prioritization. Focus on what matters most to strengthen your overall cyber defense posture.